Hello everyone, welcome to this new course, and this is a doctor and medical website CMS, and using this website CMS you can build any kind of medical websites and that is needed to serve our organization or medical service, and doctor information, department information, services, etc. you will be able to manage from the backend. So I will show you how to make this kind of application from scratch, and it is built with the Laravel 13, that is currently the latest Laravel version. So this is the home page you will see, and here you see there is a slider and that is coming on after another in this way. There is a menu and logo here, and also there is a drop down menu here, and make an appointment, and there is a nice animation overall the website, and I hope you will love that. So after that you will see there is this section, that is the about section, and after about section there is a why choose us section here. After that there is a video section. In this section if you click on, then the video will be loaded in the pop-up, and after that there are some dedicated doctors section given here. After the doctors there is a counter section, and then there is a testimonial section here. After testimonial there is a recent post, and you will see the blog recent posts are showing here, and this is the footer. In the footer there are something in the left side about us, some links here, and also a subscriber option, and in the footer there is a copyright information here, and above the footer here is the location, working emails, contact us, etc. If you click on this button it will take you to the top of the page. In this way it is working, and a nice sticky header is also showing. So this is in short the home page. If I click on about us, you will see the about us page has this about information and our dedicated doctors. If you make a hover of this, and you see there is a nice one, it is coming out from here, that is the social media icons, and there are the counter options here, and this is the footer. If you click on services, you will see all the services of this website are showing in this way as listed, and there is a nice pagination here in the bottom. So if there are a lot of services, then you can select how many service you want to show in the first page. So in the second page if I go, then there will be another service is here. After that there is a FAQ page. You see here is the FAQ information here. This is the standard FAQ. And there is a departments, and you see all the departments like cardiology, neurology, and pediatrics, orthopedics, etc. given here, and also a pagination is showing in the bottom like previous. And after that there is a doctors here, and all the doctors are showing in this case here, and it is showing nicely. And there is a pricing option here. In this you see which service you will get under into which test price is what you will be able to show, and the on time or monthly or something you can select from here, and the name of the service and which service you will get and which you will not get, that is marked with the tick mark and the cross mark. And after that there is a photo gallery section. You will see some photo can have option or caption or not, so it depends how you will select from the backend, and photo will come in the pop-up, and you can go from one photo to another in this way. There is a video gallery option after that, so it is similarly showing like the photo gallery, and if you click on any particular video it will come in the pop-up, and this is the YouTube video. If you click here it will start playing, and if you want you can go from one video to another video pressing the arrow mark here. And now there is a blog section, and this is a blog, and in the right side there is a blog categories, search option, recent post, and in the left side the standard blog system here. If you click on any particular blog post it will take you to the blog single page or blog detail page, and from here you can do many things. And after that there is a contact, and if you want you can contact. If a visitor want, he will be able to contact to the website admin after filling this form. And here you will see this one is showing. In this case there is a contact form photo and some contact information here, and also there is a nice map in the back end or under the background. Here there is a make an appointment. If you want to book an appointment you can give your name, email address, and which service, select the service and appointment date and time. You can select from here and send an email to the admin after informing that there is an appointment for him. So this is in short the pages, and in the bottom in the footer you will see there is a terms of use, and also there is a page that is a privacy policy page. And this website is fully responsive, so you will be able to see this website in mobile view very nicely, and it will perfectly work. And I am now going to show you the admin panel of this website. So here, if I go to the admin panel, you see first the logout system is here. Yeah, in the logout you will not be able to log in into here. You must have to log in first. So I am now going to log in. So I am going to give my email, and password is test@12345 here. So password is test and @12345, and now it will take you to the dashboard, and there are some information here in the dashboard. In the left side there are some settings. In the left side there is a blog category, blog post option, the subscriber, you can export the subscriber, and then about section data, feature section data, and testimonial section data. In this way you can manage anything, photo gallery, then you will be able to manage the video gallery from here. Okay, you will be able to control the departments, you will be able to control the doctor, etc. You can easily change and manage from here. And from the top you will see this is a profile, and you can update the profile from here. So in this way you can manage almost everything, and from the back end, and that will show into the front end. So if you purchase this course, I hope you will learn a lot of things, a lot of security issues, because I have made this with the Laravel 13, and I have explained the security issues in the starting videos very well. And so for that I hope it will become very fruitful for you to launch the real life application and to create real life application with the advanced security. So thank you for seeing this long video. I hope you will soon purchase the course and become my student and start learning.